Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those that have never been before, I'm Justin, this is
Lucy!
Together we are
Juicy Killer Monster.
It's been months since we've seen you all. We've got loads of videos about scrap metal, car boot sales, a real mix on this channel. We don't just stick to one thing. But for those that haven't joined us, that's where we are. And for those that have joined us and haven't seen us for a while, welcome. So today we are talking about this battery powered jet wash that I've got off eBay. Look at it. What do you think?
It's amazing.
You're gonna think, nah, that's not a jet wash. You've seen all these other jet washes before. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you all the kit that comes with it, how much we paid for it, and we're gonna clean our shed to see if it's any good. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
Right, let's crack on. Okay guys, so this is the kit we ordered. So we got it from eBay. So it comes with two 21 volt lithium ion batteries, two of them, which is amazing, and it comes with a charger. It's got two nozzles. It's got a red one, which is a direct spray, and it's got the white one, which is a 40-degree nozzle spray. It comes with this bottle, so you can fill it up. We fill it up with very liquid, so you can spray, you know, like you're at a jet wash at a car wash or
and
something
water.
like that.
It's not just very
Yeah,
liquid.
very liquid and water. It comes with this microfiber cloth for wiping. It comes with 5 meters of hose with this hose attachment and this filter screen at the end. And with this filter screen, I've added a little socket weight that will come down here, and that goes in to your bucket of water. Now you can put it in pond water, you can put it in a water bucket. It doesn't have to be clean water. That's why you've got that filter mesh screen there. Okay, it comes with a collapsible bucket, and this is the main jet wash gun. It has a stainless steel end and a fitting cap there, a simple trigger, the hose goes in there, and the battery goes in there. So what I'm going to do is pass you the camera back to Lucy. That's all the kit you get, and we're going to show you setting it up. Hey guys, here we go. Let's set this bad boy up and let's see if it's any good. Let's see if it's worth what I'm going to tell you how much I paid for it at the end of the video. So battery is a lithium ion smart chip battery. It's got 2 rails. It just slots in like
Voila.
so. Next, we're going to use the 40-degree tip. I find with this tip, although you get more pressure, it uses the water much quicker, and this gives a better spread. It's okay, so I'm going to use the 40-degree
Very
tip.
technical, this.
Now, how you put the tip in, look, you just pull that back, push that in until that locks in place.
Cool.
So now you've got your hose tip in, and you've got
Your battery.
the battery. Now, what I'm going to do first, so I'm going to take this hose tip off, okay, and I'm going to fill this bottle up with water, okay. So I'm simply going to get some water in. Now this is going to fill up with the soap and very liquid. So we're just going to use this here, get some water in it. So that's about enough water. Okay,
Yeah.
then plonk it down here. Now you can use any soap you want or any chemicals. We've been using Fairy Liquid because it's just something we got around the house, guys. Do you know what I mean? We're not about to go out and spend loads of money on loads of
Nah,
chemicals.
Fairy Liquid does the job anyway.
Okay,
Good.
all you do is you put that cap in place there and twist it. Now you stand back a bit loose. So with this bit here, you get the long bit, you pull that back, and you just keep pushing it until it locks in place. Do you see that lock
Yeah,
in place?
it's all good.
That's cool. So we've got our soap set up, we've got our battery set up. Now we need to set the hose up. So this is your filter screen. So like I said before, guys, you can put this in rivers, ponds. We use water buckets. What's it called?
Just a water bucket, yeah.
Water butt.
Water butt,
You know the
that's the
water
one.
butt from,
Yeah.
from your
Bucket, butt,
things.
whatever.
Now I've put this little socket set on it just to weigh it down. You plonk that in the water, okay? You don't need to prime this up, guys. If you want to prime it up, by priming I mean, if you want to fill water from the top before you put it on the machine, you can. We don't do that. It doesn't say to do that, so it's fine. So you've got your water in your water bucket, and then you click your hose like so, okay?
Cool.
And that is how you set it up with the soap. Now when you want to, once you finish with this soap bottle, you pop the soap bottle off and you put one of your hoses on ready for your rinsing. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go over to our garden shed. We're going to give it a good blast with the soap. We're going to use a little brush. What I use as well is like a little, you know, dustpan and brush. We use a little brush from that.
Yeah.
I'll show you one. We've got one here. So we found one of these in our greenhouse. An old brush. Just once you spray the soap, irritate it with the brush and then jet wash it off.
Yay.
So we're going to go over to the shed now. Let's see how we get on.
Let's go.
Right guys, so this is the challenge. This is our old metal shed in our garden. There'll be videos about this place happening all the time, so stay tuned in. Lots to do with gardening, strimming and everything, but today's video is about this jet wash, and let's see how well it cleans this shed. Now let me just borrow the camera off Lucy quickly. We're gonna have a look. So we've got some spider webs there. I painted all this up, but look, we've got spider webs, we've got dirt. This is your before shot, guys. We've got dirt down there, we've got dirt, bits and bobs of dirt and grime everywhere. Let's see how powerful this jet wash is and see if we can get it clean. Also, today's challenge is we're going to try and do the whole shed with 1 bucket of water. So let's see how far we get with 1 bucket of water, the soap set up with the power washer.
I reckon we'll do it.
Far away, let's go. It's just priming up, guys. It's just getting the water from that bucket. You're thinking it's not working. Whoa! The first bit. The second bit. Don't take long to come out, guys.
I can't get around there, but we get the gist.
A bit more around here. Let's see how we go. Remember, guys, we've only got that bucket of water to do it.
Going down quite quick, but I reckon we'll do it.
You see, look, we still got this much fairy liquid left, okay? Get the soap on now. Right, guys, what we're going to do now, let's put this back here. Now, remember that brush I told you about? Remember that brush I told you about? Let's give it a once over. You're probably getting closer now.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
So you see what I'm doing here, guys? We're trying to get the best close-up we can for you. We're working that fairy liquid and that water just into the shed, using the soap while it's on there, okay, just to irritate everything and give it the best chance of clearing when we use the jet wash on clean water, which is coming next.
It's the only way it's going to stay good if you just clean it, otherwise it's just going to rust away, isn't it?
Yeah. Try and get as close as you can up with this.
Oh,
one.
I am, don't you
I
worry.
want to give the people a good cleaning video.
It's quite satisfying watching this.
Okay, if we go into the side loose.
Yeah, I can't get around the other side, so we'll just have to do these 2 sides.
Yeah.
Let me come in a bit, hang on. Yeah,
So
got it.
guys, there's going to be lots of videos coming out, yeah? But this is our aluminium shed that I spray painted green, okay? We'll go into this in further detail. Little snail there,
Huh?
be careful.
Hi, Snail.
Just give it a little moving around with the brush. Okay, Luce,
Yeah, that's
get
good.
behind me here, you can have a look.
I'll give it a go. Let me get around here, hang on. Oh yeah, that's alright.
So we've got bits of loose paint. And just give it a once over. And that is the brush part. Now keep filming, Luce.
I'm filming.
Very little edit
I'm on
here,
1.
guys.
I'm not on 0.5. I'm on 1.
Come over here, darling. Right, so you finish with the soap bottle, guys. Here we go, yeah? So you pull that back, you pull it off. You get your nozzle. Remember, I'm using the 40-degree nozzle. The reason I like using a 40-degree nozzle is because it uses less water than the red. If you put the red on, you get more power, but it rinses your water. Let's check the state of the water, Luce.
Yeah, we've still got loads left.
Right, let's go, guys. Give it a go.
Let me get in without getting sprayed. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah.
Right, Luce, if you come around there a bit, darling, we really try. So we've got to be careful, guys. We don't want to get the camera wet, but we really want to try and get a shot where you can see this.
Yeah, we
glass.
can see.
Now, if you want more pressure, guys, go closer. Listen to this. This is far out. But if you go there, you get
Yeah.
more pressure. Try and get as close as you can, Luce, so they can see.
Yeah, I'm getting as close as I can.
Same over there. Right, let's check the water. Luce.
Perfect.
Let's
Look
check
at
the
this.
water, guys.
Oh
Right.
wow, that went down quick.
So we're about
Halfway.
halfway on the water. I'd say this is about 15 litre, 20 litre thing for the water.
Okay.
Remember, the challenge is, guys, to do it with 1 bucket of water.
Trying to follow him with the camera, guys. He's all over the place.
Stand back a bit, darling, try and get a steady shot. See if we get this bit off, ready? Oh, it's ripping the paint off, look.
Oh wow.
That's the pressure, guys, look.
Oh wow,
taking
you
the
don't want to be
paint
doing
off.
that too much.
Right, it's going this way, Luce.
Okay. Let me walk around.
Show the good people what we're doing.
Here we go. It's quite fun actually, isn't it?
Well, let's see how it gets on with some of this loose paint, okay? Whoa!
Oh,
Look.
whoa.
Look at the power, guys.
Whoa.
Now, this paint's obviously loose.
You're going to have to repaint this now, Jack.
It's a classic demonstration. Remember, guys, this isn't going to happen to your car because this was just sprayed with grease spray cans, no undercoat or anything, okay? But look at it.
It shows the pressure of it, really, doesn't it? It's good.
Okay, let's
Nice.
go back to the water tank. Let's see how much we got.
I don't think there's much left. Let's have a look.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now you see this filter, guys, you always want to keep this filter under the water. As soon as it starts coming up like that, stop, okay?
Wow,
So,
we're nearly at the
let's
end. We
have a
can't
go.
use any more than that anyway, because that's our challenge, isn't it?
Here we go.
Here we go.
Just to finish off. And there you are, guys. Right, Lou, show them the water down. So you see that? It's just started to come out of the bucket, so we stopped there.
Yeah, so we haven't used all the water. So
Right,
we
guys.
did it.
So you remember the before shot? Lucy's going to take you around and show you a close-up of the shed. Let's see how we got on.
Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so this is the close-up, guys. Looks pretty good, if you ask me. all of this is just the paint coming off, all of that, but it's not dirty. All the snails and spider webs and everything else have gone.
Come on, Liz.
Looks pretty good. You come around this side.
Show the front from the bottom sphere.
So there's that. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? And around here, that's all the paint coming off, but it's clean. It's very, very clean. We'll tell you about this shed on another video. It's quite interesting. It's got a little story to it. But anyway, yeah, there we go.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now I promised you at the end of the video, I would tell you how much I paid for this. Remember, it's brand new, free delivery, 2 different ends, plus the bottle end for the soap, 2 batteries, a charger, a foldable bucket, and the cloth. £18.49 delivered from eBay.
No.
Okay. Now this one doesn't look like it's got a mate. It says Sizz Viz. Okay. This isn't a sponsored video, guys. This is our own kit, so we just want to help you guys. It is absolutely perfect. If you haven't got a fixed water tank, you don't want a big jet wash and loads of hoses, this and that, you can take it everywhere, right? I'll show you something else as well while we're here. £18.49. Watch out what else you can do, guys. You've got your bucket, water tank.
Hey! Yeah, we water our plants with it, don't we?
I can't go too much. You stay there, Liz.
Yeah.
Can't go too much. You can even have
A water fight.
a lovely shower.
And a water fight.
Lovely, refreshing, yeah. Invite someone over for a water fight at your house, guys. Get them to bring their water pistols and then just let rip on them.
But it's not fair at the moment because there's only one of them.
You take care. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please watch some of our other ones. There's ones with scrap metal, rubbish collection, bin diving, charity shop selling, car boot selling, me playing guitar, Lucy singing. There's loads. But what we're going to be doing is lots of videos in and around our 1930s bungalow.
Ooh,
We will give you a video tour.
I'm
of the
excited.
bungalow on another video.
Hi
But for
guys.
now,
Bye guys.
take care, and remember, when life gets hard, just keep on.
Keep it on. See you
Signing off.
soon.